Hey everyone, I'm Neel and welcome to Haven's Kitchen. I'm the test kitchen manager here. The world of cooking I came from was intense, it was full of pressure, it was a whole 3 Michelin star kitchen and it wasn't making me happy. And what I love about Haven's Kitchen is our motto, cook happy, and that's exactly what we should do. I got into food because it makes me happy and it's my passion. And the last thing I want to do when I'm around food is be stressed and be in a constant SOS mode. On this channel, you'll see me cooking a lot of recipes. Some of them are fun, some of them are trendy, some of them are extremely close to my heart, and these recipes are just going to empower you in becoming a better cook. Before I started working as the test kitchen manager at Haven's Kitchen, I was a chef at the world-renowned 11 Madison Park. Working in 11 Madison Park was always a dream. Working in a 3 Michelin starred restaurant of that caliber was nothing short of an experience of a lifetime. And my goal is to make you understand that you don't have to be a professional chef to cook the way they do at the restaurant. All you have to do is put in some love, just hone your skills a little bit, and you will be all set to go. I'm so excited to be here. I'm so excited to cook for you all. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to always cook happy.